we're going to continue, we're going to stir this constantly, and the sauce is going to thicken up. It should be really liquidy at first as you're adding it. You can either add it as a stream or add them in thirds. You can see the sauce is starting to thicken here, and the flour is clinging to our mushrooms. And once there are no more real globs in here and it starts to simmer up like this, we're going to take our sherry wine and we'll add that. And we'll continue to stir to make sure that our stock and our sherry get properly blended. And then once this starts to simmer again, we'll add an equal amount of cream. We did for sherry about 1/4 cup each. And we will stir this until it's well blended, bring it to a little simmer, and then we're going to remove it from the heat.